Hey everyone, my name is Seth. You're watching Rayon Tech TV, and today in this session we'll be discussing on progress bar and how progress bar can be utilized with your interface dashboard to make it more user interactive, and the user will also understand at what part of the process he is proceeding to using the progress bar. So let's clear this previous implementation right now and go back to design mode and see the progress bar. Let's drag and drop the progress bar and see what are the properties we have inside the function. So we are having label and label position. These are basic properties which are available for most of the components here in Appian. The percentage is the main property which defines how the progress bar should look like. So if I do 25, it will dynamically be reduced to 25%. That's the percentage. The style is having two properties, thick and thin. So you can use thin or thick, depends on your choice. So I can go back and make it thick. Now you can choose a color. You can use a green hex code. I've used it in many of my codes. You can use hashtag and define your hex code. Next, uh, in the progress bar right now, you can see that the value of the percentage, which is coming as a static value, is defining the progress. But in the real case scenario, how the progress bar works, it should move along with the steps of the progress, right? Whatever you are doing. So let me or let me cut this code, reload the interface, and go back to our previous implementation that we did in the interface. Last time we have seen that there is a milestone uh, like field that we used with different interface calls using next button and back buttons, right? So as you can see, you click on next, the milestone is incrementing. So the goal that we have here is just before the back button, we just before the buttons, the button layout here, we can use our milestone field and we can provide a initial local bang progress. We will be using our progress bar field here just before the buttons so that it is dynamic to the steps that the user is taking. So right now it is initialized with 25. So instead of this, let me put local bang progress. Initially it is null. Let's Because we are starting with background verification format step number one. So let's start with 25 here because the total number of steps you can see here are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 100 divided by 4 is 25. So 25 is a initial step and you can click on the test. So the progress bar is at 25 for the initial step. Now how the progress bar will behave on every button click. So whatever we have done the logic for incrementing the milestone, the same logic will work for the progress bar. You just have to change the local variable. So you have clicked on, you have to collapse the condition, start a curly brace to make it as a list, end it with a list, paste the condition again, and format the code. Whatever you have here in the current milestone step, you can do it in progress. Local bank progress, local bank progress. Let me comment this code as of now. I don't need it because here you have to put 100. If it is less than 100, then it should be incrementing with 25. Else it should be null, right? So whatever logic you have seen here in the if condition, you have to grab the same logic and paste it here in the decrement way, minus 25, right? Pasting it here and it will be minus 25. So let's see if our progress bar works as per the increment of the next button. You click on next. Okay. In the back button, it might work, but in the next button, we have to see what we did wrong. Format the code. Here also format the code. So in the next step, A bank button layout. Okay. What we have to do here is progress. But right now we can't see any progress. We actually missed the code. So let me grab this if condition. paste it here. Actually, I missed it here and I have to add it. Test it. Yeah, now it's working. As you can see, this is our standard logic for progress bar. Something missing in minus. Okay, so in if condition, if your progress bar is greater than or equal to 25, then you can do back. There are few checks that we have to apply now. Let's see if it is working properly. Yep. Now you can save the changes. As you can see, the user starts his journey, so his progress is initial 25%. Now, whatever logic that we have implemented with current milestone step, we can do the same logic with progress bar. So you click on next, it is incrementing as per the expectations. So this is all what I wanted to show you, that how a customer journey can be created with respect to the interface component. And we are not only individually studying anything, we are actually practically applying the things that we have studied. Individual progress bar can be clubbed together with the button and milestone logic. Milestone can be clubbed together with child interfaces. That's how we do the blended learning. So if you really like my explanation, drop a subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down what topic do you want to learn from me. This really motivates me. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.